Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your battery dropping fast while playing FC Mobile, losing 20% or more in a single match session? Here's how to slow it down. First, go to settings and then go to display and brightness. Here, lower your brightness since FC Mobile bright stadium lighting and full screen graphics make display brightness the single biggest battery drain during play. Next, go to settings, then go to general and go to background app refresh and turn it off for the apps you're not using since FC Mobile's 3D engine already uses heavy processing power and background apps compete for the same battery resources. Then close every other app running in your background for starting a match. Also go to the settings again, then go to notification and reduce non-essential push notifications since constant notification pop-ups keep your screen and processor more active during gameplay. If battery drain is still severe, check settings, then go to battery and check your battery health to see if your battery capacity has degraded since older batteries drain faster under graphics heavy load regardless of settings. So all you've got to do is lower your brightness, turn off background app refresh, close background apps and check your battery health. FC Mobile drains list and that's it. Subscribe.